we're going to start with a basic forward and 3 crosses back. 1, 2, 3, crossing back using the hips. 5, 6, 7. You want all your weight to be back on the left foot here. We're going to brush our right leg forward. You're going to bring it around and lift it, taking your toe up to your knee and then forward. Forward will be slightly angled towards that right side because that rotation or scoop with your right leg will cause you to rotate to the right. So again, we take the basic forward. 1, 2, 3. We cross back. 5, 6, 7. We scoop. 1, 3. Now you want to keep your toes pointed the whole time. So really press the toes down and push the top of your foot as flat as you can. So you want to think about getting nice and long and a straight line from your knee all the way down to the tip of your toes. Once you go forward here, use your momentum. Keep your arms in front of you and don't lift the hips laterally. You want to instead think about rotating and then stepping. Last time from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, cross back. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3. Now we're going to go back to our left foot and face the front on 7. But as we do that, we're going to take our shoulders right, left, right. You're going to slowly make your way over to the left side. Because you're rotated to the right here, your left shoulder should be slightly forward. So it should feel a little bit easier and more second nature to move the right shoulder forward than to try to move the left shoulder even more forward than it already is. So from this 3, you're going to go 5, 6, 7. Now to take that shoulder movement, you want to isolate from the shoulder blades and you want to think about pushing the front of your shoulders, so that tip of the shoulder right here, forward. One way to think of it is rounding your back. So you'll notice if you round your back, both shoulders come forward. If you round only one shoulder blade, then only one shoulder blade comes forward. Now you want to try to reduce the amount of crunch and slouch to take that shoulder forward, ultimately, and see if you can take the shoulder forward without rounding the back at the same time. But part 1 would be to try both. This is generally a little bit easier. And then to keep using the chest, but to try one shoulder. And then try the other shoulder. And then try with holding your chest upright and just push the shoulder blade forward and back. So you're using your shoulder blade and you're using your pec muscle here to bring that shoulder forward and back. One way you'll know that you're doing it right is if you don't see your upper body twisting like this with your torso and you don't see your elbow lifting out to the side. So the arm should be nice and relaxed and you're trying to just move the shoulder blade. It's a small movement, so be patient with yourself. Don't worry if it kind of takes a while to figure out which muscles exactly need to be working in order to make that happen. But we're here on that 3 and we're going to take the right shoulder first, 5, to the left, 6, and then back to the right shoulder, 7, and our weight's over that left foot. So faster here on 3 we go, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, basic forward, 1, crossing back. 5, 6, 7, scoop, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Now we're going to take a basic forward, prepping slightly for our left turn. 3. So on that 3, you want your right hip back. So you're over rotating to the right, and then you'll have more momentum going left. So we're here on 3. You're going to take 2 turns. On 5, 6, we're going to spot the front, 5, and you're going to rotate to the left, 6. You're stepping that out. On 7, you're going to take a full turn on your left foot, 7, facing the front. And it's easier continuously. It's harder broken down like that, just so you know. Okay, let's try it slow so we just get the footwork and focus on our spot. We go forward, 1, 2, 3. Keep looking at the front, 5. Spot the front again, 6. Spot one more time, 7. Basic, 1, 2, 3. Okay, continuously. 5, 6, left turn, go. 1, 2 times. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, arms up, go. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3. From the top. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. Cross, cross, cross. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Prep, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Nice. So you did your basic forward on 1, 2, 3. We're going to step together 5 and cucaracha forward on 6 and 7. Again, sort of. 8 and, but you're going to cross back on 1. Slowing it down, you're going to cross back again on 3. Feet together 5. You're going to push forward 6, 7 into a slide. Let's do that nice and slow. We take a basic forward after the turn. 1, 2, 3. Feet together. 5, 6 and 7. 8 and cross, cross. 5, push forward. When you take footwork that has fast and then suddenly slow and then fast to fast movement, it's just a matter of reminding your brain that you're switching gears because we get kind of comfortable. If we go fast, we tend to want to just keep going fast. If we're going slow, we tend to want to keep going slow. So to have to shift gears like that, it's just a matter of getting comfortable with telling yourself that I'm going to shift gears. So let's do it a couple of times, thinking about that. 5, 6, 7, forward. 1, 2, 3, go faster. 5, 6, and 7, slow it down. 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, cross back. 5, scoop the right. 1, 3, shoulders. 5, 6, left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, cucaracha. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 3. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.